Step 1. Go to the website that gives out free PayPal cash codes 2022. Step 2. Type in how much money you wanted to get. Step 3. Sit back, relax, and watch your PayPal balance grow. We've already made this much just by using this new website. So what does this site is the Welcome back to the Dollar Hub channel, where we post the latest and working make money online videos for you. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, make sure that notification bell is on so you know when we post a new video, so you can be one of the first people to use it and, of course, make the most money. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new website that gives out free PayPal money cash codes. Second, I'll show you different ways to get this free PayPal money. And lastly, I'll show you how to set this up so that you can make money from this new website without having to do anything. This site is completely free, so you don't have to put anything into it or pay for anything ahead of time. This method is also available in most countries, so try it out. To find out if it works in your country, all you need is a laptop or a cell phone that can connect to the internet. I'll show you everything step by step, so make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so you don't miss anything important. So, let's get the video going. Here's a quick example of how you could use this free money from PayPal. You just have to type in the amount you want. Let's say you want $1,000. All you have to do is click on this button right here that says claim this item. It's very easy, and you can put in literally any amount you want. Not that important. But we have to set up the system for this first. And to do this, the first thing you need to do is go to the website prizerebel.com. There, you'll see that you can earn free PayPal money with Prize Rebel, make money online, complete paid online surveys, and exchange them for cash and gift cards from different brands. Don't worry, though, you don't have to fill out the surveys. You don't have to do that at all. This website works like this. Sign up for an account for free. Short surveys where you can earn points by giving your opinion are easy offers. Then you can turn your points into PayPal cash or choose from a huge selection of gift cards. So, here are some of the best rewards you can get. Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, free PayPal Money Visa gift cards, free gift cards, Roblox game cards, PlayStation gift cards, and so on. If you want more proof that this website works and is trustworthy, you can see here that they've already teamed up with some pretty big brands. So, I do think this is enough proof that Prize Rebel is real and trustworthy. And you can see that they have the most gift cards here as well. You can choose from, and it's processed electronically so that gift cards can be made. You can use your points to buy a gift card from a huge list of brands. You can get free Amazon gift cards, Apple gift cards, and Prize Rebel gift cards as rewards. Prize Rebel sends you money by putting it straight into your PayPal account. Also, when you cash in your points, it's one of the best ways to make money online. Before we go any further, I want you to leave a comment below with the name of your country and the ways you can pay there so I can make more money. Videos for you and other people in your country who wanted to watch them. Let's get going again. Come to this site's homepage and sign up for an account for free. You can sign up with either Facebook or Google. It only takes a click of a button. You can also sign up by giving them all the information they need, such as your first and last name, your email address, and your password, and then clicking that. Once you click the Start Making Money button and log in, you'll go straight to your dashboard, which should look like this. Now, if you want to learn more about this site, you can read this page. But don't worry, because I'll show you exactly what you need to do to make as much money as possible from this website. Now, the first thing I want you to do to get free PayPal money is to move your mouse over the Earn section at the top of the site and click on Offer Walls. And that will bring you right here to this page. Here, you can find different offers and surveys that you can take part in and earn money from by installing apps, giving information, submitting information, etc. And right now, we're on the page for today's featured offers. Now, I'd like you to click on No Cost. We don't want to spend any money to get free PayPal money, of course. Now you can choose any of the surveys shown here, and for each one you finish, you'll get points. You can get points for giving your opinion, you can get free stuff, and you can even enter to win $1,000. All of this is free of charge. There are so many more free ways to make money on this site. I really like this because it's a great chance. And the next place I want you to go is Win, which is also at the top of this website. Now, choose a contest, and that will get you to this place. And this says, be a winner in our offer wall contest if you read it. To enter the contest, All you have to do is finish the most offers from the offer wall and get the most points from them. During the contest time, you have to fill out the offers with real information. The more offers you complete on the offer wall, the more likely you are to win the grand prize. How to make an offer. While offers must be completed and credit for you to qualify, you must only use real information when you fill out offers. Offers were always done and credits were given. The time limit will be based on 2 dates that they will have given. So you have to remember whatever date they put on there. So the top one has already earned more than 3,000 points by doing things like taking surveys and other things. And if he wins this, he will get an extra 2,000 points. So in the end, he'll have about the same number of points, which he can easily trade for PayPal money. You should just try to beat this person. So, if you win the next contest, you could get this much or even more. You could trade those points for at least $1,000. Scrolling down, you'll find United States survey contests, international survey contests, and contests for getting people to sign up for surveys. So even if you are not from the United States, you have 3 chances. You could join one or all of these, and the points you earn could be worth thousands of dollars if you put them straight into your PayPal account. But quickly, if you like this video, which I put a lot of time and effort into, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Keep watching, because we are almost done. Now, if you go back to the top of this website and click on Win and then Raffles, it will take you to this page. They do have raffles every day, where you can win free PayPal money. As you can see, you can enter to try your luck and win a $10 gift card, a $20 gift card, or even a $50 gift card. This is all free. Scrolling down will also show you upcoming raffles that you can get ready for. This platform has literally everything you could want, and it also gives you a chance to make money. Are totally free, and I'm sure that everything I just told you sounds so great that you can't wait to try it. But we still have one of the most exciting chances we've ever had. Now, if you want to be able to earn free PayPal money even when you're sleeping or at a party, all you have to do is go to the invite section at the top and click on Earn with Referrals, which will take you to this page. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Relax and watch your earnings grow as the points your referrals earn for you. You will get a 15% bonus based on how much they make. For example, if the people you refer make $1,000, you will get $150 for free. Prize Rebels referral program is one of the best, and it's also the easiest way to make money with the site. So, the money you make from your referrals will come in automatically, which I think makes things even better. Up until now, you can copy your link by clicking the button here that says Copy Link, and then you can start sharing it with everyone. Put it on your Instagram and Facebook, on Twitter, in WhatsApp group chats, or anywhere else you want, so they can also make money, and you can make money without doing anything. These are just a few of the many ways you can share your link in a way that will make people want to click on it. Join now. Let's say that you already have 100,000 points from your link. You can trade that right away for $1,000 in free PayPal money. And all you have to do is take surveys and do other small tasks. Or, the best way to make money, which I think is just absolutely, is to refer people. Insane. Just click on the reward section at the top, scroll down to the bottom, and on the left side, choose PayPal. Then, choose PayPal custom amount, and you'll go to the next page. On this page, you can type in the amount you want, which in this case is. Type in $1,000, and then click this button. It will give you a free PayPal cash code, and then, boom, $1,000 will appear in your PayPal account. You can trust this site because you can see that we were paid $1,000 from it. This is the end of the day. And if you wanted to make even more money, I suggest you click on the video on the screen right now.